Number 18, the diagram shows the height of a cone that holds ice cream. The cone has a volume of 1.5 pi cubic inches. Which measurement is closest to the radius of the cone in inches? We're going to work from this formula and try to find a piece of this formula and working backwards. So let's talk real quickly about the formula. A cone is similar to a cylinder. It's actually a third of a cylinder. So our formula is volume equals 1/3 the area of the base times height. So let's just go ahead and try to plug some of these values into this formula. We know the value, according to our question, is 1.5 times pi. And we're going to go closest, so we're going to actually estimate this. So we have 1.5 pi is equal to 1/3 the area of the base times height. So B, area of the base. I keep saying that. So the area of the base of a cone is a circle. So we're going to take the formula for area of a circle and plug that in our formula next. So now we have 1.5 pi is equal to 1/3 pi radius squared times height, because pi radius squared is the formula for area of a circle. We now know we can put the height of the prism, which would be the little h, the height of the prism, which is the cone, is listed here at 4.5 inches. We can plug that into our formula. So things are starting to get a little bit clearer. So let's rewrite what we have. We have 1.5 pi is equal to 1/3 pi radius squared times 4.5, which is the height of the prism. Now, it says closest, so when we say closest, we're going to go ahead and estimate. So I'm going to call pi 3. It isn't 3. We usually use 3.14, but we use 3 because it's an nice easy number to work with. So when we plug that in there, it's starting to simplify even more. So we know 1.5 times 3 is 4.5. Now we can plug pi in again for pi on this side, and we can simplify from there because we know 1/3 of 3 is 1. So that's actually pretty nice, and it simplifies for us. So now we have 4.5 is equal to 1 times the value of radius squared times 4.5. 1 times 1, if the radius is 1, is, looking at the radius squared, we know that that value has to be 1, so 1 times 1 is 1, and that gives us our radius by working backwards. So, which measurement is closest to the radius of the cone in inches? C, 1.0 inches.